Lahat kami malas. Yan ang gustong iparating ni Barangay Ginebra star Scotty Thompson sa naging Game 5 loss nila kontra TNT Tropang Giga nitong Miyerkules. Ayon kay Thompson, hindi pwedeng inguso lang kay Justin Brownlee ang kanilang pagkatalo na umiskor lang ng 8 points sa 3 out of 13 shooting. Bukod kay Brownlee ay nalimitahan din ang best player of the conference runner-up na si Japet Aguilar na 6 points lang ang inambag. Si Thompson ang naging bright spot ng Ginebra na may team high 13 points sa efficient 5 out of 7 shooting sa field.
I think on us as a team, no, we lose as a team, we win as a team, and we played bad lahat kami, no, not just JB. I think all of us, and then lahat din sila sa TNT talagang maganda yung ginawa nila. So we just have to keep stay positive next game.
Pinuri rin ni Thompson ang naging adjustment ng Tropang Giga na bago ang 27-point win ay 2 beses na dikit na natalo sa Gin Kings.
Na-outplayed nila kami, no? They come up really aggressive this game, and then that's it. Yung adjustment nila talaga nag-work sa kanila, and it's time for us na kami na mag-adjust next game.
Determinadong makabawi ang Ginebra kontra TNT na tinalo rin sila sa Governors Cup Finals noong nakaraang season. Hindi alintana ni Barangay Ginebra head coach Tim Cone kung natambakan man sila ng TNT Tropang Giga para makuha ang abante sa PBA Final Series. Ayon kay Cone, hindi na dapat tignan kung gaano kalaki ang kalamangan ng TNT kontra sa kanilang koponan. Sa naturang laban, umabot sa 36 points ang kalamangan ng TNT kontra Ginebra sa third quarter, habang ang Gin Kings naman ay hindi nagkaroon ng lead sa kabuuan ng laro. Get ni Cone, ang isa sa tinuturing na worst loss sa finals ay hindi magpapaapekto sa kanilang koponan.
It's just, it's pokey points. It doesn't really matter. I mean, it doesn't matter what he did individually. It just matters that we lost by 30 points. And it actually doesn't even matter that we lost by 30 points. Bottom line is we lost. You'd still be talking to me if we lost by 1 point or if we lost by 30.